Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your MonsterGo Ai or your GAN iCarry. And all you're going to need is the cube, a replacement battery, 1632 is the model, and a tiny screwdriver. So these batteries are located on the yellow side, the same side you would plug in to charge. The batteries, remember, will last about 300 hours. Now, if you buy a few batteries at once in bulk, you can get them for under $1. So I got a pack of these, and they cost around 60 cents per battery. So you can see where it's located. It's somewhere on that yellow side. And you need the tiny screwdriver to undo these two screws. So I'm going to undo these two right now. Once that is unscrewed, it should basically just pop right off. See if I can get it without the screws coming out at all. This can be easier if you take the whole cube apart, but I'm not going to do that. In here we have a little pull tab, which is very nice. So you can just take the battery out very easily with this pull tab right here. And if you're not watching the video, remember the placement of the battery. The bottom side is pointing towards the yellow center, and the top of the battery is pointing at the core. So we've got our replacement battery right here. We're going to place it under the plastic. If you place it on top, it'll be harder to get out afterwards. And then you just slide it in. The plastic piece should move a little bit with it. And then I like to just tuck this underneath. Just like that. Now, before you close anything up, you can also just turn it to make sure it lights up. And it is lighting up, so we know it is good. So we just take the lid, put it right back on, and screw the screws back in. And this battery will be good for another 280 hours. So that is how you replace the battery. It's super easy. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.